for his unwavering support to the programs and projects of the local government unit of Nulungan, Lanao del Norte. His exemplary leadership, commitment to public service, and steadfast collaboration greatly contributed to the successful implementation of the local initiatives and the peaceful, orderly, and credible conduct of the 2025 national and local elections. Your dedication and partnership have significantly enhanced the welfare, peace, and security of our community. Signed, Honorable Marcos Mamay, Municipal Mayor, Nulungan, Lanao del Norte. And now to extend a heartfelt thanks of our brigade commander to our partner stakeholders,